Alright, so this has 17.5-inch wheels on it. You just take 1 1/8 inch socket to get them off. So let's go ahead and see if my little rigid impact will remove them. We're going to jack it up. Looks like I need to tighten the bearings up. It is a little loose. So if we look in here, brakes don't look bad. Rotors don't look bad. But we still got to take it all apart to pack the bearings and tighten them up. Alright, so let's dismount that tire and throw some beads in it.